What would you like to improve for SEO agencies?
If I had a magic wand, I'll make it easier to correlate between SEO SEO tasks and SEO tasks and the changes that we make so that we can stop using the word it depends. I would create like a SEP where I can test things. I can just like freeze it and test different things, don't use it, and then if I had a magic wand, that's what I'll do. I was listening to a talk by Rand Fishkin, and he was like, "There's a lot of companies that are focusing on collecting data. That the data collection model has gone really mad, but the interpretation, and I think that's what Google is trying to do with Google G4 and the way that they've put it, like from page title to what the user's done throughout the page. I think that's what they're trying to do, and that's what so that we can make this strong data correlations between what we've done and what the impact is. I can freeze the set for one day, roll out my technical change, and then yeah, that's what.